I found two abandoned puppies. What happened next changed everything. I wasn't planning to rescue anyone that day, it was just an ordinary walk. But sometimes, life puts you exactly where you're needed most. The streets were quiet, almost too quiet, and then, I heard it, a faint, fragile cry. Followed the sound, step by step, until I saw them. I found the first puppy, scared, hungry, no mother, no shelter, no one around, wandering alone in the street. When he saw me, he rushed toward me as if he had known me for a long time. He looked at me, with eyes filled with awe, but also with something deeper, hope. I froze in my tracks for a moment, afraid I might scare him. But then, something unexpected happened. He started moving toward me, slowly, cautiously. Then, he followed me. In that moment, everything changed. Let me ask you something. If you were in my place, would you stop or keep walking? Please be honest in the comments if you've ever been in this situation. As for the second puppy, I found him on my way home that evening. He too was scared and lost, not knowing which way to go. When I approached him, he came toward me as if asking for my help. Because I had a choice: walk away and pretend I never saw them, or step in and change their lives forever. And deep down, I already knew the truth. If I left them there, they wouldn't survive. So I made my decision. I picked them up, and in that moment, they didn't resist. It was like they knew they were finally safe. Back home, the first thing I did was feed them. They ate desperately, like they hadn't eaten in days. Then came water, warmth, and something they may have never felt before. Well, slowly, their bodies relaxed. Their eyes started to shine again. Day by day, those scared, fragile puppies became playful, happy, full of life. They didn't just survive, they transformed. And watching that transformation was something I'll never forget. Because sometimes, saving a life doesn't take much. Just a moment, a choice, and a little compassion. Before you leave, there's something you need to understand. Every year, thousands of puppies are abandoned, not because they're broken, but because people failed them. If you ever find a stray puppy, don't panic, act wisely. First, observe from a distance. The mother could be nearby. Second, if the puppy is clearly weak, starving, or in danger, step in. Third, offer clean water, food, and warmth immediately. And if possible, contact a local rescue or a veterinarian, because the truth is simple. You don't have to be a hero to save a life. You just have to care enough not to walk away. For these two puppies, one moment, one decision, changed everything. And maybe, next time, that moment will be yours. They are no longer content just to survive. They are now living the life they deserve. And that's what this channel is about. Giving a second chance to those who almost lost everything. Backhand index pointing right. Subscribe to Paw Rescue Academy for more real rescue stories that restore hope. And remember, saving one dog won't change the world. But for that dog, the world changes forever. Thank you for watching and supporting Paw Rescue Academy. See you soon in another story, another rescue that deserves to be told.